Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. This is Geeta. I'm sorry I couldn't post a video for some time due to some personal reasons. In this video, we are going to see question number 2B of June 2023. Yet another bank reconciliation statement which starts with an overdraft as per cash book, and we have to find out the balance as per bank statement. The moment students see overdraft, they get panicked. Don't be panicked. It's very, very simple. I'm dead sure after seeing this video, watching it till the end, you'll be able to get it so quickly. You will understand it so easily without any putting effort. You will be able to do the BRS effortlessly. I'm sure about that. So let us get into the video. So whenever there is a bank overdraft as per cash book, it means it is simply a loan, a temporary loan given by the bank to the firm. Clear? So in our cash book, the balance will appear, brought down will appear on the credit side because the payments are more than the receipt. That's why we call it as an overdraft. Okay, so whenever there is an overdraft, any amount deposited through check or draft, because we are dealing it with the bank column only. So whenever we deposit, we means the company firm deposits any amount into the bank in the cash book, immediately we will write it on the receipt side, on the debit side. It means we are reducing the overdraft, we are reducing the loan by that amount. At the same time, bank will not reduce the loan till this amount is credited by the bank. Suppose the day you are preparing bank reconciliation, this check is not credited by bank, then in bank the loan amount will be appearing at an increased amount by this amount. I'll explain in a very simple example. Let us take a simple example. I'll show you here. Suppose I am having a loan of 10,000 rupees. This is as per cash book. My cash book, it is only I am taking a bank column. As per cash book, the loan is 10,000 rupees. So my bank also showing a loan of 10,000 rupees. There it will appear as a debit balance. Here it is appearing as a credit balance, okay, in my cash book. Now what happens? I have received a check of number 501. This check number, just for example, I am taking randomly 501. I have received 2,000 rupees through check number 501. The moment I enter here, my balance will come down by, CD will come down by 8,000. So this will be, my BD will be on the credit side 8,000. See, my loan has come down by 2,000, but I have deposited this amount into the bank, but the bank has not yet credited. So bank, the loan is 10,000. So I am starting my BRS with this amount. The student should understand my BRS balance is given as 8,000. So to reach the bank, any check deposited, not credited, I have to add that same check amount, 2,000 rupees, in order to reach 10,000. Clear? I hope it's very, very clear. Let me explain in Tamil also. Suppose they are not able to understand the English so fast. For those weaker students, I am explaining in Tamil also. நம்மகிட்ட இப்போ வந்து 10,000 rupees நம்முடைய ஓவர்ட்ராஃப்ட் நம்ம புக்ஸ் பிரகாரம் இருக்குன்னா, நம்ம ஒரு 2,000 rupees ஒருத்தர் நமக்கு செக்கு கொடுக்குறாருன்னு வைங்க. இமீடியட்லி நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுவோம், நம்முடைய புக்ஸில் 2,000 rupees டெபிட் சைடில் எழுதிடுவோம். அதாவது ரெசிப்ட் ஆகிருக்கு, வரவு வந்திருக்கு. ஸோ அப்போ நம்முடைய கடனை நம்ம என்ன பண்ணிடுவோம், குறைச்சிருவோம். 8000 rupees கடன் இங்கே கிரெடிட் சைடில் காமிச்சிட்ருப்போம். ஆனால் பேங்க்கில் வந்து இந்த 2000 rupees இன்னும் கிரெடிட் ஆகலை. ஏன் இது மிஸ் இதை ஆட் பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னு கன்ஃபியூஸ் ஆகுறீங்க. பிகாஸ் நம்ம எந்த பேலன்ஸ்லேருந்து சம்மை ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணுறோன்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, இந்த பிடி தான் உங்களுக்கு சம்மில் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க 8000 rupees. இந்த 2000 ரூபாயை டெபாசிட் பண்ணதுக்கப்புறம் என்னுடைய பேங்க் கேஷ் புக்கில் 8000 இருக்குது, நீங்கள் பேங்க் பேலன்ஸுக்கு போங்க அப்படிங்கிறாங்க. ஸோ இந்த செக்கு எனக்கு கிரெடிட் ஆகலைங்கும்போது அதை நான் என்ன பண்ணணும், ஆட் பண்ணால் தான் நான் என்னுடைய பேங்க் பேலன்ஸுக்கு போக முடியும். புரியுதுங்களா? ஸோ ஃபஸ்ட்டு பாயிண்ட் வந்து எனி செக் டெபாசிட்டட் ஆர் டிராஃப்ட் டெபாசிட்டட் not credited by bank will increase the loan amount by that amount. இங்கே எவ்வளோ செக் டெபாசிட்டடோ எவ்வளோ டிராஃப்ட் டெபாசிட்டடோ to that extent my loan will appear in the bank column, in the bank statement increased. Clear? So next thing is that any amount charged by bank. Suppose bank வந்து நமக்கு bank charges charge பண்ணுது. Any amount charged by bank charges suppose 5000 rupees. So this loan amount will appear increased in the bank statement. Where I am going, my target is to reach the bank balance. So 15,000. So I have to add the bank charges. Any bank charges debited or deducted by the bank, I have to add back. Then any amount interest for my overdraft debited by bank will also increase my balance overdraft. Clear? Suppose இப்போ வந்து அவங்க வந்து ஓவர்டிராஃப்ட்டுக்கு ஒரு 4000 rupees இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் டெபிட் பண்ணியிருந்தாங்கன்னா my loan will increase to 19,000. So 5,000 rupees bank charges increase ஆயிருச்சு, 4,000 rupees interest debited increase ஆயிருச்சு. By mistake if they debit me, அதுவும் நடக்கலாம். Sometimes there may be an error. By mistake they have debited me with 2,000 rupees. Then this overdraft will increase by 21,000. So first thing is that any check deposited, any draft deposited, not yet credited. Not yet credited means not credited till the date you are preparing BRS will increase the overdraft. Any bank charges charged by the bank will increase your overdraft as per bank statement. Any interest debited by bank for the overdraft or for anything else, any interest debited by the bank will increase your overdraft in bank statement. Then any wrong debit made by the bank will also increase the overdraft in your bank statement. On the other hand, any amount received directly by the bank will reduce the overdraft. Clear? Suppose ஒரு கஸ்டமர் வந்து இப்போ 21,000 லோன் இங்கே இருக்குன்னு வைங்க, ஒரு கஸ்டமர் வந்து 7,000 rupees direct deposit into bank. This bank will immediately reduce my loan amount by 7,000 rupees. But this is not known to me. So in my cash book, the overdraft will appear at an increased rate. But in bank, it will appear at a decreased rate. So you should make a thorough understanding. Any amount directly received by the bank, any amount even by mistake credited by the bank, any bill directly collected by the bank will all decrease my overdraft. Any bill paid by bank, any insurance claim paid by bank as per standing instructions, or any bank charges deducted, any interest debited, or any check deposited, draft deposited, not yet credited will increase the overdraft in my bank statement. So if you are thorough with these things, then you will be able to do your BRS within no time, because you need not to think whether should I add or should I less. So you will not be in a, you will be able to do it at a faster rate, so that for 5 marks it is 8 entries they have given. So some of them will be added, some of them will be reduced less. So add less you put first. So first they have given bank overdraft as per cash book 15,50,750. As I said, any check deposited, any draft deposited will be adding your, increasing your overdraft in your bank statement. So check deposited not credited by bank is added. Interest deducted by bank will also increase your overdraft. Draft deposited will also increase your overdraft. So what else will increase your overdraft? Already there is an overdraft, so I am putting everything to add. Bank charges charged by bank. So this total comes as 29,85,500. How to make the total very fast, even faster than the calculator? 1250, there is a 1275. 1250 is 25 lakh. 25 lakh 25,000. That 25 you put it here, 2 lakh. So 27 lakh 500. Then you add 2 lakh, 29 lakh 85,500. You can make it very fast. For this addition you can use the calculator. 45, 36, 250. Then any check issued not presented for payment. Suppose in my cash book my balance is 10,000. I am issuing a check of 5,000 rupees to a person. Immediately what will I do? I will increase my overdraft to 15,000. But in the bank the overdraft is 10,000 previously. Now this fellow has not at all gone till the date I am preparing the BRS. So in bank the overdraft will appear as 10,000 only, not as 15,000. But I am starting my BRS with the 15,000 overdraft, so I have to reduce that 5,000. You must be understanding it, why I am reducing the same amount, why I am adding the same amount, because we start with the balance as per cash book. Okay, so check issued not presented, then any amount wrongly credited will reduce my overdraft in the bank statement. Any bill directly collected by bank will reduce my overdraft. Any transport subsidy by the state government given to this firm was deposited into bank, so that amount will also reduce my overdraft. So my total comes to 36,20,000. So what is the net figure? The overdraft, added overdraft is appearing at a higher amount than this amounts, reducing the overdraft. So this amount is higher. So what is the net will also be overdraft. So overdraft as per bank statement is 9,16,250. The addition and subtraction you can do it. Now I'll do the adjusted cash book. When it comes to adjusted cash book, immediately you keep it in mind, all those transactions which are related to timing difference will not appear in your adjusted cash book. It will appear in your bank reconciliation statement, like check deposited but not yet credited, drop deposited but not yet credited, check issued but not yet presented for payment. These things are all timing difference will appear in your BRS. Any wrong debit or credit by bank, we cannot adjust it in our cash book, so that will also appear in our bank reconciliation statement. So in this question, so 4 items will be appearing in your BRS: check deposited, then draft deposited, check issued, amount wrongly credited. So we are left out with only 4 items. So adjusted cash book, when you prepare, what will happen? We will be taking this balance. So write it as in the books of A Limited, adjusted cash book, bank column only, because it is an overdraft. So the balance will appear on the credit side by balance brought down. Just a minute, something is there. By balance I'm writing it in short. By balance brought down, the balance given is 15 lakh 50,000 750. So now the check issued will appear in your BRS. Number 2 item, interest debited by bank. Now I know through bank statement there is an interest debited by bank. So interest debited will appear on the payment side, credit side. Interest debited is 1,75,500. Bank charges will also appear on the credit side by bank charges. So 2 items will appear on your credit side. Bank charges is 2,85,000. Now there is a bill collected directly by bank. So bill collection is my receipt. So to bill collected, writing it again short, 9,45,000. Then there is a transport subsidy. It is also a direct collection into bank. Transport subsidy, that is 17,50,000. Now you see in the cash book, now the balance on the debit side is more than the credit side, because this is 17 and 9 is almost 28. Here it is 18. So the balance is a favorable balance if you adjust the cash book. So this total comes to 26 lakh 95,000. So I am going to write 26 lakh 95,000. So balance CD by balance carried it down is 6 lakh 83,750. So don't forget to write debit, credit and adjusted cash book bank column. So now don't forget to write to balance brought down also. To balance brought down. So then you will be understanding this is a favorable balance because it is appearing on your debit side. So now the BRS you have to make. Balance as per bank statement, adjusted cash book is favorable 6,83,750. So again 4 items will appear, check issued but not presented. You have to add back because to this extent the balance in your bank will be increasing. Wrong credit by bank will also increase your balance to 9,25,000. So the total will be 16,08,750. But check deposited but not yet credited is 12,50,000, and deposited but it's a drop deposited not credited is also 12,75,000. So this less figure is coming more. So now because this is higher amount is to be reduced, so your amount will be, this is overdraft, 9,16,250. Don't forget to write an assumption that it is assumed that the books are closed on 31st March 2022. So an adjusted cash book is prepared. Otherwise, you can prepare directly a bank reconciliation statement also. Hope this video is useful to you. If you have any doubt, don't hesitate to write it on the comment box. If you like my video, please give a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and anyone interested in learning. Keep learning. Thank you for watching.